Here at a garden in Framingham that we're laying out, and this is going to be a suburban meadow garden at their front landscape. And I just wanted to quickly go over this system that I developed this year in how to lay out, or how I lay out my garden beds. What I developed is the use of this chalk line. So it's traditionally used in construction, but it's basically a knitted line that allows me to put down really straight lines, connect points within the space, but then go over it again with marking paint. And this is great because it's kind of like the pen tool in Photoshop, where you're able to make points and anchors and then connect two points to that with a line, and then with the marking paint really add those curves and those nuances to it, so it's not just all rectangular. So this has been a great way to really make an efficient system out of laying out a garden bed that provides the most accurate results while also the most flexibility.